Dish Anywhere. Can Dish Anywhere app for Android flawlessly works on Windows 11? The Dish Anywhere app for Android can be used on Windows 11, but it requires the Windows subsystem for Android to run. To install the app using an APK file and pair it with your Dish Hopper DVR. As of August 2023, there have been reports that Dish Hopper pairing for the app no longer works, and now it requires a My Dish account. If you encounter any issues, you might want to check for updates or consider troubleshooting steps such as performing a hard reboot on your Android device or checking Wi-Fi or mobile data functionality. For detailed system requirements and troubleshooting, you can refer to the official Dish Anywhere support page. Bonus: here are some useful tips for using the Dish Anywhere app on your smart TV. 1. Ensure compatibility. Before you start, make sure your smart TV is compatible with the Dish Anywhere app. 2. Set up your TV. Properly set up your smart TV and connect it to the internet. Perform any necessary software updates to ensure optimal performance. 3. Download the app. Navigate to your smart TV's app store, search for Dish Anywhere, and download the official app. 4. Log in. Launch the Dish Anywhere app and log in with your Dish account credentials to access your DVR recordings, guide, games, and search for content. 5. Pairing. If you're using a streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick, follow the instructions to pair it with your smart TV for a better viewing experience. 6. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, check for updates or perform a hard reboot on your Android device. Ensure Wi-Fi or mobile data functionality is working properly. 7. Explore features. Take advantage of all the features offered by Dish Anywhere, such as live television, recorded shows, and on-demand content. For a step-by-step guide on how to watch Dish Anywhere on your smart TV, you can refer to detailed tutorials available online.